Step into the Ford 2015 Explorer FWD 4-door Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: black side windows trim and black front windshield trim, body-colored front bumper with black rub strip fascia accent, body-colored grille with chrome accents, body-colored power heated side mirrors with convex spotter, power folding and turn signal indicator, body-colored rear bumper with black rub strip fascia accent, chrome body side insert, black body side cladding and black wheel well trim and chrome door handles. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.